Tulog ang mga bata, May. Nasa plane na, oh. Tingnan mo si tita. Is for Filipino dito pala. So dito ako nang galing online. Kineme.
Look at something. I think there's a first president there.
There?
Yep, that's...
Naka-Superman ba siyang gamit?
Yeah, that's
Mag-bless ka.
Okay.
Say hi.
She's here.
Hi, Tita Ra. Hi, Tita Ra.
You're taking so long.
Ate, pwede ba mag-video?
Itatapos kita. Oo naman. Itatapos kita.
Ay, social. Ate, left or right? So. Guys, dito ako sa Singapore with my niece and my cousins. And we're gonna eat where? What's the name of that restaurant? Lava?
Lau Pa Sat. There's a Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's Christmas tree everywhere.
Huh. Oh, this one.
At itawilan yan, te. Ang cute. Yung nagtipid kayo sa guhit. Ito, no? Cute ang basa. Tempura.
And those buses have numbers. Whoa!
Careful.
That Christmas tree is huge.
Yeah. Welcome to Singapore.
And welcome to ice skating park. Ice skating park.
Let's go to mommy and daddy. Here.
That was a car track.
So, ang dami na kumakain.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
I'm also a vlogger.
Yeah, that's why I told you. I like to be with you because you're like Tita Rox. You love talking.
That started when I started school.
Really?
When I was in preschool, when I was 3 years old in preschool, I only talked Filipino. But once.
This is what I miss the most in Singapore. It's so good. It's so soft. Like Sophie. Okay na, baby.
Wow, water is splashing.
Ayun oh. Para nagbubuga ng tubig. this is the bus. So we're waiting for our bus.
The next day.
Sophie wants to walk on the, what you call that? Wall?
Walk pad.
What?
Crazy walk pad.
Slowly.
Okay. Wow, that's crowded now. That's fun.
I have with me little turkey.
I'm a turkey. I'm a turkey, turkey, turkey. My hair is crazy.
Ganda na Singapore under construction.
Mommy, where are we going? Mama, where are we going?
Ate, ito yung mga lumang ano ng mga Singaporeans.
Ma, where are we going, Mommy?
Bago nagkaroon ng...
Okay, this where are we going? Here. After over there.
For approval. Halos ganito din naman sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ang problema lang kasi talaga dun kung pasira yung mga jeep.
Mga bata man pero gusto ka nila nagsusunod.
Yeah, me too. No.
Parang kang binabaril.
Nakapunta yun sila Kuyabo?
Oo. At the pedestrian. So you're gonna walk in the middle, in between.
See, that's it.
Wow!
Yung mga robot na dapat Singapore food, kumakain. Pwede ko ito magbaba. Roxanne, ang babaan daddy ko dito? Dito ka Roxanne sa part na.
You want to go, you see? I want to see the, like, the big panel that one.
Ano ang alipay, Ate Joy? Alipay ang bayad, ang basa kung visit. Alipay?
Go near it.
Yeah, let's go. Hold me. Look at Super Mario's ano, yung box ni Super Mario andun, oh.
Where?
There, oh, the yellow one, look, yeah. And the mushroom that is making him big.
I saw the monster.
Wow!
Joel and Joe, let's make Z for Sophie here.
Okay, Z for Sophie, what can you say about this one?
This is like, it's kind of like a forest to me. And then over here, got a lot of Mario things. That's the rock. I wonder where the water comes from.
You wonder where's the water comes.
Wow! It's raining.
有時呢度啊，撞啱用我蘇啊平面波嘅。
Wow!
Pag may mga ilaw yan.
Ang ano niya parang mushroom eh. Sorry. Ate dito oh. May nag-documentary.
Look at that. Why do they move?
Because they are like water drops.
What they don't move up, they move down. How do you do it? Is it like just, is it a machine or what? Oh, I'm going to move.
Brace
We
the...
can film Z for Sophie.
Yeah, sure. Okay, you start now.
Okay.
Where are we at? Where are we at?
We're in Terminal 3, but at the basement, so we can eat something. And right now we're finding a seat.
We're trying to find the seat. Ay, ayun pala. Ayun, baby. Ayun, ladies and gentlemen, and to the people of the Philippines and wherever you are watching. Pakita ko lang sa inyo and flex ko lang itong mga paru-paro sa loob ng Changi Airport na super duper cute and super colorful and nakaka-amaze kasi ang ganda talaga nilang pagmasdan habang lumilipad. Char! So ayun, ihahatid na nila ako sa airport dahil kailangan ko nang bumalik sa Dubai, UAE. So ayan si Sophie, kino-convince niya ako na magstay daw for a year sa Singapore. Sabi ko hanapan niya ako ng work. Kapag hanapan niya akong work, mag-i-stay ako dito. I will miss you guys. Thank you for accommodating me.